Hello everyone, welcome all of you in this video. Myself Ruchi and I'm going to explain you through this video the numerical of Wkb approximation method. The numerical that I'm going to explain you, this was asked in CSIR December 2014. So this I'm going to teach you in this video. Okay. So the question is, consider a particle of mass m in the potential V of x, which is given to us a mod of x, where a is greater than 0, the energy eigenvalues En, where n varies from 0, in the Wkb approximation R. And for this we have given all these four options. Okay. So basically in this question we have given one potential, that is this potential. Let us mark the potential which is given to us, that is this. And in this we have to find out at which power of n this energy eigenvalue is depend. Okay, it is depend on which power of n that we have to find in this equation by using the Wkb approximation method. Okay, so first if you see this, that is all these four options, so you can see all the four options has different powers. Okay, and just remember this, and already I have explained you about this in my previous videos also. Okay, that is how to solve the Wkb approximation method by using the trick and also by using the traditional method. Okay, so but in this video I'm going to solve this question by using both methods. So you have to just remember the equation that I have explained you in my previous video about the traditional method and the trick method. So just remember this, whenever you have this kind of option given in question, that is if all the powers are different. Okay, so simply you just use the trick method and solve this long equation. That is, as you can see, you will find this question as a very difficult, but if you will see the option which is given to you has different power, so easily by using two equations, that is by using trick, you can solve this numerical within a minute. Okay, so first we will solve this with the help of trick method, then we will solve this by using the traditional method. Okay, so first to find out the trick method, find this with using the trick method, we have to remember these two equations. First, V directly proportional to x raised to m, and the second, En directly proportional to n raised to 2m upon m plus 2. Okay, this we have to find out here. Clear? So if you see in the question, so that is first we have to find what? X to the power m, that we will get from the potential equation. So in the question we have potential value, this which is given to a mod of x. So mod of x, that means it will have negative x value of x and positive value of x both. But if you see the power, so power we have positive one. Clear? So here we will get, that is value of this x raised to power m, that is this power m value we will get 1. Okay, I hope you have understood from where I got this 1. Now what we have to do, we have to put this value of 1 in this equation. Okay, that is we have to substitute this 1 in this equation. Okay, so what we will get this, that is 2 into 1, and here upon at the place of m we will get 1 plus 2. So after solving, what we will get? This 2 into 1, that is what? 2 upon 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we will get the answer, that is 2 by 3. So here we will get our answer, that is En directly proportional to n to the power 2 by 3. So I hope you have understood from this how we got our answer. From this two equation, easily you can solve your numerical by using the trick method, only by using this simple two equation. Okay, so by using the trick method we have got the answer 2 by 3 power. So easily you can find out which option is correct. See, in the option number 1, we have the power 1 by 3. In the option number B, 2 by 3. In C, we have power 1. In D, we have 4 by 3. So obviously you can find out which option is correct. This option number B is correct. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to find this numerical by using the simple trick method. Okay. So to solve this by using the trick method, we have to follow only these steps. Okay. I hope you have found this easy. So now let's start to solving the same by using the traditional method. Okay. So to solve traditional method, first we will write the given potential which is given to us, that is A mod of X, which is given to us. Okay. Now, as I told you, mod of X, that means we have one negative value and one, it can be negative or positive. It will be negative when X is less than 0 and it will be positive when X is greater than 0. Okay. So according to this, we'll have two values of potential. One is minus AX when X is less than 0 and plus AX when X is greater than 0. Clear? So this we will get. Because of this mod X, we will get two values of potential. Okay. And we know that the total energy of the system for this potential, that is kinetic plus potential. Total energy, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is P square upon 2m plus V of X. So I hope you have understood up to this. Already I have explained you how to solve this Wkb approximation by using the longer method in my previous videos. Okay. So now at the next step is what? Now we have to find the turning point. So at turning point, we know that the momentum is 0. And in detail I have explained in my previous video. So just watch my previous video to know the definition of turning point. Okay, why this momentum becomes 0. So at the turning point, momentum becomes 0. If the momentum becomes 0 at the turning point, our total energy equation becomes E, which is equals to V of X. Because momentum is 0, so this term becomes 0. So we will get E, which is equals to V of X. That is this we will get. Okay. So after this, we have to find out the turning point. So because of this, as you know that at potential we have two values. So because of this, we will get two turning point. One, we will find the turning point at this X less than 0, and the second one we will find turning point as X greater than 0. Clear? So let's solve. That is first one for X less than 0. That is for X less than 0, what we will get? E value we will get minus AX. That is for less than 0 we have V of X minus AX. Okay. So that means instead of V of X we will write minus AX. Clear? So now what we will do here? Okay, 1 minute, just it is. Let me open once again and we'll start solving this. Okay, just wait for a second. So that is, here we will get E, which is equals to minus X. Okay. So from here we can get the value of X. So what value of X we will get? Which is equals to minus of E by A. This we will get. Okay. That is X1 we will get minus of E by A. And this is our lower turning point. Okay. So this we will get. Now, second we will do for X greater than 0, and for X greater than 0 we have potential value, that is plus AX. So by putting this plus AX, we will get the value of X is plus E by A. So from here what we will get? We will get the value of X2, that is plus E by A. Clear? So here we have got lower turning point and here we will get the higher turning point. Okay. So this value of, we have got X1 and X2, that is two limit, we have got lower and higher limit. Now, once we got this lower and higher limit, we'll use the WKB quantization condition to solve further. So now you are aware with the WKB quantization formula rule, that is integration of x1 to x2 p of x dx, which is equals to n plus 1 of pi h cross. Okay, now we will substitute the values in this. So now we know that what is the value of momentum? It is root over of 2m of E of minus V of x. Okay, this we will get from the total energy equation. I have mentioned here all the steps. Okay, so from this equation we will get this momentum value. Okay, so after getting this momentum value, we will just substitute instead of this, we will substitute this value. Okay, and the right hand side we will write as it is. Clear? And this limit we have got from the turning point, that is this is the lower turning point, this is the higher turning point, the lower limit to higher limit. Okay, x1 x2 value we have substituted here. Okay, now we will solve this further. So here what we have done is, here I have taken this root over of 2m outside, and inside what I have done, this if you see here we have minus 2 plus limit. Okay, so this I have split it into two parts. One is from minus e by a to 0, and otherwise one is from 0 to plus e by a. Okay, clear? Yeah, here I have split it into two parts. So when we are using minus to 0, that means we are talking about here x less than 0. So here we have the potential value, that is minus ax. Okay, so instead of potential this I will write minus ax, and when we are doing 0 to plus e by a, that is for x greater than 0. For this we have potential, that is ax. So we will write instead of potential, that is this, we will write ax. Clear? So I hope you have all understood how we got this. So now as you can see here, we have this potential for x less than 0, this potential for x greater than 0. Okay, now let's see our first, that we have written this. So here if you see, either for this or this, we have the, if we see according to magnitude wise, we have the same value of potential according to magnitude wise. So to solve, what we will do, we will take the potential value as a magnitude wise just to solve further. So what I'm going to do is, instead of this I will replace this by ax. Okay, just what I'm doing, I'm taking the potential value as magnitude wise to solve this. Okay, clear? So here just I'm replacing minus x by x. So here instead of this we will get ax. Okay, and if I invert this minus limit to 0, if I invert this, what I will get, 0 to plus e by. Okay, minus sign will be changing if I invert this limit. So I hope you have understood this integration, how we got this integration from this one. Okay, so now, and if you see the second term, this I have written as it is. Clear? And the right hand side as it is. Now what we will do, see the next step. As you can see, both the term are same. So now I am going to add this. So what you will get, you will get 2 of integration of 0 to e by a inside root over of e minus ax dx. Okay, this we will get, and all the term I will write as it is. So after this, what we will get, let's take 2 outside, this 2 I am taking outside, and root over of 2m as it is, and this integration term as it is I have written, and this right hand side as it. Let us give this as a equation number a, because we have to solve further this. So now to solve further this, now we will do some steps. So to solve easily this complicated equation, what we will do, let us take e minus ax as t. Okay, and if I do the derivative of this, what we will get? Minus a dx, which is equals to dt, if I do the derivative of this. Okay, so if you solve this, what we will get? Dx, which is equals to minus dt by a. This we will get after solving this. Clear? So now obviously the limit will also change. So we will find out the limit at 0 and e by a. So when the value of x is 0, okay, when the value of x is 0, what will happen with this equation? That is, what value of t we will get? If x is 0, obviously this whole term becomes 0 and we will get t will be equals to e. That is, we will get t which is equals to e simply. Now when x value is e by, when you put the x value is e by a in this equation, you will get the value of t as 0. Let's see. Here we have what? E minus ax, which is equals to t. This we have, correct? So here what we will get? Minus a, if we put, okay, e as it is. Instead of x, what we will get? E by a. This we are getting. Clear? So a cancelling, and here e minus e, it will be become 0. So what value of t we will get? We will get here 0 simply. Okay, so I hope you have understood these two parts carefully. That is these two parts. So just I have given the equation number b1 to this and b2 to this two. Clear? So now to solve further, what I'm going to do is, I will substitute this b1 equation, b2 equation in the equation number a to solve further. Okay, so when we will substitute, instead of e minus x, we will get the t. Okay, that is root over of t. Inside we will get, and instead of 0, we will get e. Instead of e by a, we will get 0. That is, now the limit will be e to 0. This limit we will get. Clear? And instead of dx, we will put this minus gt by a. Clear? So let's put all this value together and see what we will get. So after putting this, we will get this. Clear? After putting this, we will get here. So now we will solve further. Just 2-3 steps we need to solve to get the answer. Here we can take a outside. 2 root 2m as it is I have written here. Minus we can take outside here. And then root of t I can write t raised to half. And then dt as it is I have written. And then here what we will get? Equation, that is this term I have written as it is here. Clear? So I hope you have understood these steps carefully. So now let's move on the next step. So now what I'm going to do is, we will solve this integration. Okay, now you know that how we got this integration e to 0. Okay, so all the term I have written as it is, this term and this term here. Only this integration we will solve. So what is the integration of t raised to half? T raised to half integration, we will get t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This we will get. Okay, by solving this, and the limit we will write as it is e to 0. Then what I'm going to do is, see here this term I will write as it is. 3 by 2 I can write here in multiplication 2 by 3. And then if we solve this, if we put this limit 0 to e at this, what we will get? 0 minus e raised to 3 by 2. And the right hand side as it is. Now just solve this. What we will get? 2 into 2 we get 4. Root over of 2m as it is upon 3a as it is. And here minus minus becomes plus sign. And then e raised to 3 by 2 I will write as it is. And the right hand side I will write as it is. Then see here, as we know that we want the equation of e. This we want. So what we will do, we'll take this term on the left hand side and all term we will shift on the right hand side. If we shift this term on the right hand side, what we will get? We'll get 3a upon 4 into root over of 2m, and this term as it is on the right hand side. Clear? Now as we want the value of e, so we have to remove 3 raised to 3 by 2 from here. So if we remove 3 by 2 from here, we will get what? Raised to 2 by 3, this we will get. So you can see here I have written e we will get equals to all this term here, pi h cross from here I have written here, okay, and the whole raised to we will get 2 by 3. Clear? So I hope you have understood all these steps very carefully. Okay, so this answer we will get here, that is option number B is correct. So let's go on the options. See, that is this. So which option is correct? This option is correct. So I hope you all have understood how to solve this by the trick method and by the traditional method. So if all of you have understood this question, so please like my video, comment in the comment सेक्शन, दैट इज आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, आपको ये कैसे समझ में आया, या आपको कुछ भी डाउट है इस वीडियो के रिगार्डिंग तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो कमेंट करके, ठीक है। एंड अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छा लगा और आप चाहते हो कि मैं और भी वीडियोस बनाऊँ रिगार्डिंग दिस, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर टू योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स। ओके, सो थैंक यू।